This is going to be a product review of the Sukki stainless steel condiment container. It is a 3.4 ounce salad dressing container with a food grade lid. There is no BPA in this. These are leak-proof silicone lids. The container is made out of 304 stainless steel. It is corrosion resistant, anti-oxidation. You won't have a problem with rusting, oil-free, and very easy to clean. As I said, these are silicone lids. You have no risk of harmful toxins being released. You do not have to worry about leaks. These are leak-proof. You can put snacks in here. You can put your child's desserts in here, put them in the lunchbox. It's not going to leak. There are other ideas that you can come up for this. You can put pet food in here. I know it sounds a little silly. You can use these for your cat food because they are healthy. They're stainless steel. They're very easy to clean. They're not going to stain. You can prepare pet food, put it in the refrigerator, keep it sealed. You can put tuna salad in here. You could put a little bit of fruit in here, healthy fruit to take to lunch. You can see how well this lid is made. I'm going to put this on here. These are very solid and secure. Once they snap on, they're not coming off. See how that goes on? You should be able to shake anything in here. It's not going to come off. You see how it's being held over this rim. These are washable. They're reusable. They're very easy to clean. 3.4 ounce, 100 milliliter. You can put just about anything in here. If you're a cook, if you're a chef, put your seasonings in here. Put your salt, your pepper. Then when you're ready to make your recipe, pour whatever you have into the bowl, into the mixing bowl. So these things are great, reasonably priced, mess-free, spill-free storage solution for your kitchen. You can put in sauces, baby food, fruit bits, cream cheese, sunflower seeds, cranberries, nuts. You can't beat it. I'm going to leave a link for this product in the description of the video. Click on it. It will take you directly to Amazon where you can order these wonderful stainless steel containers. Condiment containers, you can put anything you want in here. The food grade containers made by Sukki, S-U-K-K-I. Make sure you buy these.